Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check purchase history of the App Store on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to check the old purchase history of the App Store on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here. So in settings, you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, you have to simply click on media and purchases. And here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have logged into your account and it is showing your Apple ID. So now if you want to show the purchase history, then you have to simply click on that purchase history. So here you can simply check all of your purchase history if you have ever done. So if you want to check, you can simply also get the custom purchase history for that. For example, if you want to get the purchase history for the previous year, you can also get. Moreover, you can also go to the filter settings, and you can change the settings according to your desire. For example, if you want to check the settings and if you want to add custom, you can also do that. So for example, if you want to check the setting of the all year, and you want to check the purchase history for 2024, and you can also check for the apps, and you can click on that, and after that you can simply change the filter, and after that you can see all the history related to that. Moreover, you can also check your subscription and manage payments here also. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.